Hello everyone. So in this episode of our action RPG game, we are going to work on how to pan the map. So here, as you can see, after I zoom in the map, now I can use my right mouse button and pan around the map image like this. And using the mouse wheel, I can zoom out always. And now when we are in this view, we don't really have any panning because we can already see the full map. But after I zoom in, we can pan around. So yeah, this is what we are going to work on today. And before we get started, let me remind you that you can watch all the episodes of this series in this playlist. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself too. And also, if you are interested, you can get the full project from my Patreon page once you become a member. Not just this project, you can access all project files of all thousands of videos I have done. So yeah, I'll leave links to everything in the description below. And now let's get started with today's episode. Right, so this is what we have worked on so far. Here we can open the map and use the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Now the next thing I want to do is how to pan the map so we can move around and focus on different areas while we are in a higher zoom level. Alright, so to do that, let's open UI, maps, and map and markers, and open the main map. Now here, this is just an image on the directly added into the canvas panel. So I will first wrap this with the scroll box. With the scroll box. Okay. Now this is orientation is vertical. I don't really need to see the scroll bar, so I'll make it collapsed. And I don't want to consume mouse wheel so that I can keep using the mouse wheel for zooming. So now this would allow me to scroll only in one direction. I need to be able to scroll on the other direction as well. But now zoom in will not work. We will get an error. So what it says is set size. So here, now we are no longer, the map is no longer directly on the canvas panel. So this is not working. Sort as canvas slot is not working. So because this is now under this scroll box. So what we can do is we can get desired size and use that instead of this. And then also set desired size. And we can get rid of this and use that value. Now we don't need this part or this part. Alright, now this should work for zooming. Let's see. Now zooming is working, but it's only on one direction. Okay, one more thing. Here I'll make this scroll box use the entire area. So make it like this. But I don't want the map image to deform, so I'll make it like this, align horizontally and vertically. Now let's see what happens. This is working up to this point. After that, see, it's stretching in one direction. So that's because this is only a vertical scroll box. So now here, I'll wrap this with another scroll box, and I'll make it a horizontal scroll box. I don't want to see the scroll bar, and I don't want to consume the mouse wheel. Okay, and now this is on a side, so maybe this one will, yeah. Okay, now let's see what happens. Yeah, now it is working. See, you can zoom all the way, and here I can pan up and down as well. Okay, great. So panning around and zooming is working now. That's all I want to do in this episode. Why is this not here? Why is there a gap? So there is a gap here. What is causing that? Let's try this. Okay. Yeah, now it looks good. And zoom in and panning also working. So simple. One limitation here is at a time I can only pan on one direction. That means here if I'm moving up and down, I can only move up and down. If I want to move to left and right, I have to release my mouse button, right mouse button. So here we are using right mouse button to scroll, to pan. So that is a limitation in this system, but it gets the job done. So I'm fine with it for now. So yeah, that's all I want to cover in this episode. Okay, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download here in the Patreon page. Link could be in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. And goodbye.